Okay, first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, now for the medium-sized bowl, get yourself some milk chocolate chips and put 1 cup of this into the bowl. Okay, now 1 cup of unsalted butter. Okay, now once done, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes until beautifully melted. Also, during this process, every 20-30 seconds, depending on your microwave, stir in between. Okay, now my chocolate chips and butter are beautifully melted. If it does not look like this, and there's still chocolate chips, still chunky and stuff or whatever, keep microwaving it. Okay, so now 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. If you don't have 3/4 of a cup, you can just do 1/4 and just do 3 scoops of that, and which is this one right here. Okay, so I put 3 scoops of cocoa powder in. Now grab your whisk and start mixing it. Now 1 cup of sugar. Okay, 1 cup of brown sugar, which this is literally homemade brown sugar. All you need to do is just 1 cup of sugar and then a teaspoon of molasses, and then you just make brown sugar. It's super easy to mix, so there we go. 2 large eggs, room temperature. If they're still a little bit cold, you can just heat them up, heat them up in the microwave for at least about almost 20 seconds, and then that'll be perfectly good. And then add 1 egg yolk for added richness. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Okay, this is completely optional. 1 tablespoon of coffee to make it more chocolatier, but if you don't want to use coffee, you could just use hot water. And now we mix. Now we add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now grab your cake spatula and mix it carefully until all the flour is basically disappeared. Okay, now it should look exactly like this. There's no flour popping out or nothing, besides from the corner. Ignore that, but if there's still a little bit of flour, just mix it in a little bit. Okay, now get out your baking pan right here and some parchment paper and line that bad boy up inside of here, and I'll show what it looks like inside. Okay, so now once the parchment paper is in, you don't really have to cut it up if you don't really want to, but you can. But you could just push it inside and just line it up yourself. It's really easy actually. So now put the batter inside of here. Okay, now I got all the batter in. Shit. Okay, put it in the oven, of course. Now, okay, if you would like a fudgy brownie, so we're gonna set the timer for 20 minutes. But if you want the absolute perfect balance for fudginess and cakiness, 26 minutes and 30 seconds, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoy these brownies because they're absolutely to die for.